There we go. All right. Well, we removed some stuff. Yeah, some stuff. So this is what we're working with for right now. As it stands right now, forgive the mess. We're taking this guy apart. Bend the sway bar all up and shit. Tower. Strut tower pushed all the way back, as you can tell. Laying on the floor. So we took the seats out. Took the door off. I don't know if you can see, but my foot broke that clutch pedal that you see right there on the floor, and this whole floor right here is buckled underneath. That's literally like 3 inches up from the floor, so that's actually touching the floor. Excuse me. So for right now, we have a few more things. I have to start taking some stuff off. Right now we took the battery out from the back, got the seats out, steering, battery, my rig, sway bars, transmission. I'm not gonna look over there right now. Took the door off. Got some speakers and some other shit, BMW stuff, carbon fiber wing. So, you know, get the single pipe down there. I don't want to get all into the details, but this is what we're working on. We're working on coming over to this guy, and this is the new body that we're coming in here. Bear, say hi.
Hola.
Hola. And then we're doing this, so this is the new guy I just picked up. It's a 91. Yeah, it's a 91 GXL. Pretty nice. You know what I'm saying? I'll let you take a look at it real quick. I got some spots and some issues I got to deal with and stuff, but right now we're just putting the Optima in there, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Optima, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, is what you're working with.
No.
Booyah, cuz, you know what I'm saying? Really clean. So, really, we got to take that shit out.
Don't crash this one.
Yeah, I'm not going to crash this one, bro. I'm going to... Thanks for reminding me, guys. So anyways, we're gonna try to retain most of the stuff that we got up in here and take that bad boy out. I'll put that son bitch up in there. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah, and this is what we're looking at, dude. You know what I'm saying? Very clean. Everything works. Windows go up, windows go down. Oh, what? Yeah, I know it's broken. I'm saying, still got it though. Boom. Oh, what? Look at that. It's original video. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Yeah, I got a missing one. So, and yeah, it's cracked. But I mean, literally, I mean, everything is really, I mean, come on. Look at that. Let me see. 130. Oh, what? Still on the road? What? You know what I'm saying? Clean, bro. Clean. Everything works. Everything works. Everything. I just lied. Not everything. This shit don't work. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. It goes back down. This one I'm worried about. But I ain't worried about it, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? Driver's side. Look, even got the little floor mat and shit underneath. You know what I'm saying? Oh, what? Oh, what? There's a couple cracks right there, but I mean, bro, I'm not even tripping. Look at that. They got the original spare back there. I'm not kidding either. Look. I'm gonna make this short and sweet. Look. Come on. Look. Booyah, cuz. What the fuck? Look at that. It's even got the lines on it, homie. Woo, woo, woo. Look, it's got the tool setups. What the fuck? Oh, do I got a jack? Oh, what? Homie, I got the 1991 owner's manual. I mean, what the fuck? Tell me I don't know. This is literally my 8th RX7. Damn, 8 of them. I was wondering what was rolling down the hill. It was this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right. Later, Bear.
Yep.
We're out of here.